Let's start. First I will build wheel hubs. Here I will need 4 bearings, 15 mm diameter outside, 10 mm inside, and 4 mm thickness. This 3D design is very nice. Everything fits perfectly. Spins, works, no problems. This frame part looked flexible to me, so I built reinforcement with aluminum profile. Though I've seen the same trailer without this profile and it worked fine. Later I will maybe change these leaf springs into metal ones, but for now I will use 3D printed option. Everything in this project will be fixed with the screws. No need glue at all. And it is great, because if in future I will need to replace one or another part for some reason, it will be very simple. Alright, last pieces for suspension mounting. When I work with the 3D printed objects, I'm always careful with tightening the screws, because the material is quite soft and it's very easy to break the thread. Almost done. Couple of screws more. I can't wait to see it on wheels. For now I will use 90 mm wheels, but I think this trailer may look better with smaller wheels, so later maybe I will try it with 80 millimeters. It should look more scaly. This trailer kit has a very nice system of wheel hubs. Very simple and practical. It is just 3 pieces and 2 bearings, and here I inserted the 4 centimeter nut bolt. This is to mount the wheel on. These wheels rims are from Endura. Very nice looking rims. Spin, spin, spin. Everything is good. This part I also made myself of aluminium, just to reinforce the hook area. And because I didn't get a proper hook holder, so I will use this sling. This is it for chassis. Next we'll move to camper itself. Before fixing a camper together, I will install these lights. This one I took from a toy car. Just inserted a normal LED in there. That's it. And these two I've done myself from acrylic, cut it by my laser machine. I'll fix internal light with double side tape, very strong tape, and it's black color. It will not stand out. These backlights will just glue it with super glue. Let's connect the battery. Yes, it works. Okay. It works. I don't like these hinges, it's so tiny. A good thing nowadays for projects like this, you can always buy accessories online ready. In future this is going to be a kitchen. I will add some fans and maybe a fridge. We'll see. Something nice. Something realistic. So for the rest of the build there is not much to comment. I will let you watch and enjoy it. In the end of the video I will show how I actually hook it to car and how it looks ready-made. In description I will leave a link so you will be able to download the 3D file of the trailer. I will also make a list of tools and parts that you will need additionally for building this project. Thanks for watching! This glass is made of acrylic, but people do it from Lexan as well. It's just that I have an acrylic and that's why I use it as a glass. Lights. I just bend it with the 2mm wire.